So there are two methods to do this. But first, make sure that you have your Roblox Studio project open. The next thing that you want to do is go to the top right of your screen and click the AI Assistant button. Chat with the Studio Assistant to get help and accelerate creation. Click that button. Go to Manage API Keys, checkmark, Anthropic. Select the model that you want to use. Click Edit and paste your API key. To get an API key, go to this website. You just search up Claude Developer Console. And what you do is you click Buy Credits. Once you've bought credits, copy the API key that you created and paste it in right here. You type here, and if you were to say hello, then you'll be talking to Claude. But because I don't have an API key, it doesn't work. That's the first method. The reason why I won't recommend the first method is because Claude API is 30 times more expensive than if you just pay for a subscription like Claude Pro. So now I'm going to show you the method of MCP servers. Let's go to Google Chrome, type in Claude Desktop App. We're going to select this link right here, and we go to visit the Claude downloads page. But I already have the Claude Desktop App right here, so I'll just open it. You select the model, whatever you want to use. I'm going to select Opus 4.6, which is the flagship model currently. Go back to Roblox Studio. We're going to click on your keyboard Command Spacebar. Then type in terminal. So what you want to do is type in this command. It's in the description below. So once you've copied it from the description, paste it inside of your macOS terminal. And then for you, there will be an app selector thing. It'll basically be like this. So it'll show all of your applications. You'll just have to select an application to open up a .json file. Paste this exact configuration inside of that file. So delete the contents, anything that's inside, and make sure it's like this. And if you have any questions, just drop a reply in the pinned comment. And if you want to know where this exact configuration will be, it will be in the description below, alongside the command. What you actually want to do is restart both Roblox Studio and Claude. So we're just going to X both of them out. We go to Roblox Studio. We select our project. We go to Claude. We open up that too. So the next step is going back to the Manage MCP servers right here. Toggle on Enable Studio as MCP. Now it says one client connected because we have the Claude Desktop app open. And now let's see if it works. Can you create a red brick inside of my Roblox game? And it's using these tools, list Roblox Studios, and searching available tools, reading the Roblox skill file. That's the one that I created before, and even before I recorded this video. And it says done. I've placed a red brick. So let's see if it's actually done that. And as you can see here, it has indeed created a red brick. Although I don't know why it studs. It does actually work. Now let's see if it can create a local script. Can you create a local script that is named double jump inside of starter character scripts but has no contents? So let me just prove this to you guys. So we go to starter player. It says starter character scripts. There's currently nothing in there. All right. Let's see what it's done. And as you can see here, it has indeed created that double jump script, and there is no content inside of it. The reason why this is super useful, you'll have this many new capabilities. No more copy and pasting, just using something called the Model Context Protocol. We go click the plus button right here, then we go to connectors, make sure this is on. We go to manage connectors, and we have the Roblox Studio connector right here. It has all these tools. And if you want to change whether it needs approval, whether it always allows, or you want to just straight up block it, you can all change it right here. And you don't need anything else from this. A very recent feature that Roblox decided to implement for us. And it's really great.